Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch SE to an Android phone. Unfortunately, directly connecting an Apple Watch SE to an Android phone is not officially supported by Apple. The Apple Watch is designed to integrate seamlessly within the Apple ecosystem, requiring an iPhone for its initial setup, pairing, and ongoing management. This means you cannot simply pair it like a standard Bluetooth device to your Android device. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in Apple's tightly integrated ecosystem. The Essential Watch application, which is crucial for managing settings, installing apps, and updating software, is exclusively available on iOS. Without this application, your Apple Watch SE cannot be properly configured or utilized to its full potential. This design choice ensures a cohesive user experience across Apple products. While some online discussions might suggest unofficial workarounds, these often involve significant compromises and do not provide a full Apple Watch experience. For instance, even if you manage an initial setup using a friend's iPhone, many core features like notifications, app synchronization, and health data transfer will not function correctly with an Android phone. The experience would be severely limited. For Android phone users, the best and most feature-rich solution is to choose a smartwatch specifically designed for the Android ecosystem. Brands like Samsung, Google, and Fitbit offer excellent options that provide seamless integration, full notification support, and comprehensive health tracking. These devices ensure you get the complete smartwatch experience without any compatibility hurdles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.